The video guide is about removing 1000 euro cache, 1000-euro.cache. Now, this is a very malicious site targeting Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and other browsers. Its mission is to force you into clicking on this allow button. The pop-up indicates that you need to do that to watch some video file. And indeed, its content looks as some video file, but in reality,
Sweetie, please click on the blue allow button.
But in reality, there is no any video file behind it. This is the trap, because clicking on the allow button immediately hijacks the browser and starts forwarding you to many strange pop-up ads that are extremely annoying and very dangerous. To deactivate these pop-ups, you need to undertake some manual steps, and now I'll show you what exactly you need to do. So go to the menu, click on More Tools, and now select Extensions. You need to disable and delete any suspicious extensions that could be in place. If you don't find any suspicious items, that's good. Of course, you need to examine your available Mac applications. So if you discover that it's something suspicious here in the list, be sure to remove it right away. And finally, go to the menu, click on Settings, then Site Settings, and now Notifications. Inspect the Allow area, so you'll find this dangerous site here. Click on this button and remove it from the list. I would also strongly advise scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. The best place to get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then start scanning your Mac device with this program by clicking on Start Combo Scan button. After that, the free analysis of your Mac computer will begin. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the detailed report will be provided about the condition of your Mac computer. In the antivirus section, you may click on Review Results, and this will give you the detailed list of threats with their exact location on your Mac. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder and remove each specific threat manually. So we have this threat here, it's highlighted. We may right-click on it and move it to the trash. You may do this way with all the threats detected by the program. So once again, click on this icon, then click on this program, right-click on it and move it to the trash. So this is the free way to remove malware from your Mac, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.